What's that, baby? You like it? It's from Nono. Yeah, from Nono. Give a kiss to Nono. Ah, okay. Look at this one.
Come on, let me help you.
That's it? If I use for it. You laughing or you crying? You laughing or you crying? Huh?
You? You, baby? Look, look. Luchan.
That's for the baby. That one is for you. Open it up, baby. See what's inside.
May I help?
Wow.
I want to make different figurines.
Okay.
Contrast. Now, the mister here. This one for the little one of the house.
Yeah. You got a gift too, man.
Good morning, baby. She's just like, what the heck is that?
And that's for you.
And this is for Victor.
Wow.
Want to chew? Want to play?
Okay. Pick him up because I can't hold him. All right.
And a chair for the top.
Perfect. Beautiful. What are you doing? Oh, you got to see everything?
That's for your brother, baby. Yeah, for Victor.
You like it? It's from Nono. Yeah. Say thank you to Nono. Yeah.
Say thank you to Nuno. Say thank you.
Okay. Yep. Christmas 2013. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I gotta teach you how to play with that, okay? Oh, what do you mean no? Yeah, we gotta open these up and we gotta stop building stuff, okay? Look, open this up, open it up. We gotta take this out. These are cutouts, right? We gotta.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Look, they come out. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at the horsey. Yeah, horsey. You like that? Okay. Look. See? My God, easy. Hey. Easy. Easy. You're gonna fall off the bed. Get down.
Say.
What happened? Yeah, take them out, baby. Take them all out. Take them all out so we can play with it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one finish. Open the other one. Open this one, okay? Take it out. Look. Take it out. Okay. Not like that. Easy. There you go. Like that. Yes.
Don't do that, boy.
Oh, you got the horsey? There's more here, look. More stuff.
Let me have one of the for the baby. The ring.
Yeah. What are you doing eating that?
No.
I know.
I'm done. Look. I'm done.
Are you done with that one? Okay, now do this one. Okay? Here. Give this to your brother. He likes to chew on stuff. Here. Eat that.
Here, Victor.
There you go. Never fails.
Oh, this.
Tastes good?
Apparently not.
Oh, this.
But this one is not for you, man. This one is for your brother.
Taking it out. Okay. There's more. There's more. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.